This kit comes with the ZEM-CWI smart controller, a power supply, and an adjustable electric strike fail-safe or fail-secure. These are all the tools we recommend you have when you install this system. It's recommended to use electrical wire for this installation, 18/4 or 22/4 gauge wire. This wire is a requirement that is needed to connect the maglock, receiver, and exit button. You may also use this wire as an extension for the power supplies. 300 feet maximum with 18/4 gauge wire. This is the installation diagram for this kit. You can find this diagram in the OpenSEE app, and a printed version of it will be included when your order is shipped. Since there are many different types of applications, we have created several types of different kits in order to supply your specific project. We have kits for standalone, vegan, access control panel, and automatic door opener. Standalone connections are basically a connection without any other controller or entry devices, and with locks and exit devices. Wires must be installed inside the wall. The Wi-Fi smart controller ZEM-CWI will allow you to control remotely via Wi-Fi electric locking devices. Using our OpenSEE app and internet access, you can lock and unlock doors from anywhere in the world on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. This product has a 3-year warranty. You may install the electric strike on any type of door, whether it's wood or metal. You can install the electric strike locking device on the jamb of the door. One main advantage to this type of electric strike is that no exit button is required. You may use your normal key to lock and unlock the door as well. The electric strike also comes with a fail-safe and fail-secure option that is adjustable according to your project. In other words, you can adjust the setting on the lock depending on whether you want it locked when the power is off, or if you would like to have the strike unlocked when the power is off. These kits do not include an exit button for manually exiting, and they do not include a keypad/reader for entry. In this kit, you'll only be able to open the door from the app.